Okay, here's the spot. It's coming up. Go ahead. Okay, you're in. Pull out now and go do it again. You did it. Okay, stop and get out. It's coming up. Lining up. The bumper stop. Okay. Turning the wheel. There we go. Okay. Straightening out. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, you want to do it again? Go do it again. You had two good ones in a row. Back up and then get out. He's going to test you on getting out too. Turning the wheel. There's the car in front. Keep going.
I saw.
What'd you say?
I saw the river.
A river? Okay, you want to cross the street?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
There's no cars. That was good.
Mommy had two perfect ones in a row. She had two bad ones before that. Don't move the cones, it's all measured. There she comes. Lining up. She puts the between the bumper and the wheel. Okay. About 2 feet from the cone. And she cuts the wheel all the way. Goes halfway in and cuts it back the other way. Okay. Cuts the wheel the other way. And brings her in. Okay. Hit the curb. Move up. Okay. Move back. Don't cut it all the way. Okay, that's good. Okay, you're in. Stop. Have to do an extra maneuver, but you're in. Okay, go do it again. I'll try to get out of here without hitting my cone. Backed up. Here you go, turn the wheel and get out. There's mommy all by herself. Okay. Okay. Good enough. You want to go again? Okay, back her up and get out.
I saw the river again.
Hmm. Okay, pull up a little more. A little more. Now back it. Turn the wheel and back it up a little bit. No, go forward. You're not quite in. You're crooked. You don't have to go all the way. Just a little bit. Okay, stop. You're in. Okay, you done?
Yeah, one more.
One more. One more. Okay, turn the wheel all the way. Get out.
Bye.
Bye-bye. We cut the wheel. Keep going. Cut. Okay, keep going. Bring it up, bring it forward. Cut the wheel. The other way. Here. Okay. Not all the way. Okay, you're in. Close enough. Okay, and that's it.